Now, let's look at the question types. IELTS. Listening has different question types, but they fit into only 3 big groups. This makes them easy to learn. You usually see 1 to 3 different tasks in each section. Group 1. Completion tasks. Completion tasks ask you to fill in missing words or numbers using exact words from the recording. Follow the word limit, usually no more than 2-3 words and/or a number. Spelling must be perfect. The tasks are notes completion, table completion, flowchart completion. You complete notes, table, or flowcharts with words from the audio. Sentence completion. You finish incomplete sentences with suitable words from the recording. Short answer questions. You answer questions with a limited number of words or numbers from the audio. Tips for all completion tasks. When you listen, answers always come in order. For example, the speaker talks about key information to be filled in blank number 1 before moving on to the information relating to blank number 2. The word limit is very important. You must not write more than the limit, or your answer will get 0 marks in each time.